In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Docusign electronic signature to a PDF. This guide will walk you through each step clearly and efficiently, so you can digitalize your documents without any hassle. Let's dive right in and make your signing process smooth and straightforward. To start, you will need to visit the official Docusign website. Open your preferred web browser and type in their URL. Once the homepage loads up, you'll notice Docusign prides itself on being a leader in electronic signature and agreement management. From there, we need to find the login button. It's usually located in the top right corner of the page, so go ahead and click on it to access your account. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Docusign homepage. This is where you'll find access to all your document activities. Look for a tab labeled Agreements and click on it. This section will guide you to everything related to your document agreements. Now that you're in the Agreements section, look for an option to Start Now. This button initiates the process of preparing your document for a signature, so go ahead and click it. The next step is to upload your PDF file that requires a signature. Once you hit the Upload button, you will probably see a dialog box. Click on Desktop to browse your files and select the PDF you need to sign. Ensure that the file is correct before proceeding. After your PDF is uploaded, it's time to fill in any necessary details. This might include specific information related to your document or telling the program where you intend to place your signature. Being thorough here ensures a neat and professional final document. When you've added all the details, look for a Next button and click it to continue. At this stage, you'll be able to add your signature to the document. On the interface, locate the option that says Signature. Clicking this allows you to place your electronic signature on the document. Move the signature to your preferred section on the PDF, ensuring it's clearly positioned for visibility. Once the signature is placed correctly, double check to ensure everything looks perfect. This is your last chance to make any adjustments before finalizing the document. And there you have it. You've successfully added your Docusign electronic signature to a PDF. This digital process not only saves time but ensures your documents are secure and professional. I hope this guide helped you through the process smoothly. Consider sharing this video with anyone else who might find it useful, and stay tuned for more helpful guides. Thank you for watching and see you next time.